What up, Autism Central? Today, we're going to be making my famous Red 40 chicken. Let's go. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to get 16 cups of water into this bowl. That should be enough. All right, now we need 3/4 of a cup of salt. Next, we need 2/3 of a cup of white sugar. Then we got some oregano to taste. 2 crushed garlic cloves. Some whole black peppercorns. We're going to use a little bit. That's enough. And finally, our red 40. Take a big old spoonful of that. Just dunk that in. Now, this is what you should be left with. Your cool red 40 marinade. Pretty awesome. Now our chicken. Oh shoot, that might overflow. Here we got our chicken marinating in a bath. Let's get that all in there. Now leave your chicken in your refrigerator. Let it brine for 2 to maybe a day overnight. I'm gonna do 2 hours though. See you then. All right, now that the 2 hours is over, we got our aromatics that we're gonna be putting in the chicken. Okay, once you've taken your chicken out of the brine, what you wanna do, dry it out. Okay, so then you're gonna wanna get 1/2 cup of butter. And then you get the skin right around here. Use your fingers, peel it. Then stick your butter. All right, and just like that, you got your 2 butter inside the 2 breasts. Now time for the seasonings. Okay, for the seasonings, you're gonna need 2 out of 4 cups of Old Bay seasoning. And then add a splash, little splash, not too much because it's very powerful, of red 40, a little bit more. Then you mix it together. And I washed my hands before this, don't worry. They just stained red. So what we're gonna do now is we are gonna take our olive oil and lather this thing up. Make sure you get both sides. Then you take the seasoning you just prepared. Make a mountain. Then sprinkle it on. That looks good. Make sure you always season the inside. Then we're gonna take our aromatics. We got crushed garlic, some onions. Just shove it in there. We got some lemons. And voila. Your red 40 chicken needs to go in the oven. Get yourself. Now take yourself a pan, dish. Sprinkle the bottom with some oil. Then take your seasoned chicken. Then you lay it out in your pan, just like this. Now we are gonna let this roast in the oven at 450 degrees for 30 minutes. Shabam. All right, so after 30 minutes, you want to set the temperature lower. You want to lower it to approximately 350 for an hour and 20 minutes. Get Sandy. Okay, and that is an hour and 20 minutes. Let's pull out the red 40 chicken. Need two hands. Bam, bam, look at that. Oh, it looks so good. Let's cut into it. And this is the ending to the video. It's so good. You guys should try it. End video.